We offer several MolCube workflows, including system build, docking, and Alchemical Free Energy Simulation. Today, we will introduce the Solution Builder workflow. On the left side of the panel, locate MolCube Workflow and click Quick Start. All workflow processes will then be displayed on the dashboard. Please select Solution and click Start. At this stage, you will find a description of the Solution Builder. We recommend reviewing this information carefully before beginning, as it will enhance your overall experience. Once the information has been reviewed, click Start. The workflow will begin, and you will be prompted to enter the project title. Since workflows may contain multiple projects, it is important to distinguish between the workflow title and the project title. After entering the project title, click Create to proceed. Next, we move to the PDB Reader step. We enter the desired title for this demonstration. We use 4W52 and click Submit. In the Select Source section, several options are available. We have chosen 4W52 because T4 lysozyme L99A benzene is a small, simple, and highly reproducible textbook cavity ligand system frequently employed in aqueous MD tutorials. Entering the PDB ID 4W52 and clicking Submit loads the structure. Following this, we proceed to the chain selection step. Here, the soluble protein lysozyme can be confirmed. However, the hydrophobic cavity ligand, benzene, is absent. To restore this, we select BNZ under Standalone Ligands, then click Validation Structure and Apply. The benzene molecule then appears visually. Among the available options, only valid ones are highlighted in blue. For this demonstration, we maintain the default settings and click Submit. At this point, the PDB Reader step is complete. After confirming the visualized system, we click Go to Next Step. In the Solution Builder, we again enter the project title, select the appropriate force field, and click Submit. We may then define the system options, such as the box shape, cubic or truncated octahedron. The box margin is set to a default of 10 angstroms, and options for ions and temperature control are also available. An additional feature, hydrogen mass repartitioning, may also be enabled. Finally, we select our preferred MD engine and click Submit. Once the Solution Builder step has finished, the system is displayed visually. We confirm the configuration and proceed by clicking Go to Next Step. Now we enter the solution simulator. By default, the simulation time is set to 10 nanoseconds, but it can be extended up to 100 nanoseconds. We select the MD engine chose and click Submit. By clicking the MolCube Workflow dashboard, we can view the project we have been running, in this case, 4W52. The project currently in progress appears at the top, while the completed simulation, marked as Step 4.4, is highlighted in yellow. We then click Resume and proceed with Solution Analyzer Step 1. This allows us to access the 15 parameters provided by the analyzer. In this demonstration, we compute the RMSD of PROTA aligned to PROT. The analysis typically requires less than 5 minutes. Once the calculation is complete, we return to the MolCube Workflow dashboard, where the 4W52 project is now shown in green, indicating completion. By clicking Resume, we review the analysis results. Finally, you can review the 10 nanosecond RMSD results below. To download the result files, click Download All to retrieve all the results.